gardener here, and today we're going to figure out the best way to trim this pampas grass that's behind me. And there's a lot of it to trim. I've invited my friend Lena. Hello, Lena.
Hello, yeah, sure, it's good to be here.
Well, Lena knows a lot about nothing. Something.
What?
So let's get started. So I'm going to show you the 5 or 6 different ways I've tried to trim this grass.
Oh, which one's the best?
Well, it turns out the best one is to use my trimmer, my weed whacker, with plastic blades on it.
What? Really? That sounds like it might work.
Yep, it allows me to get in close to the pampas grass without getting cut, because those little leaves are sharp and they'll cut you.
Oh, what a good idea. Does it sound like it's dangerous?
Well, you gotta be careful and wear your eye protection and your gloves and clothes that make it so you don't cut your arms.
Oh, that's a good idea. Yeah, sure.
All right, let's do it. And I'm gonna have my assistant help me.
Oh, he sounds like a good guy.
Yeah, he's pretty good. Okay, thanks. Little Gus Gardener here, and there are the things I used to try and cut the pampas grass. I tried to hack it with a machete. I tried to chop it with the loppers and with the shears. I tried that hedge trimmer. I even tried my chainsaw. But the final thing over there, that one right there, that's the one that works best. And I'll show you in just a minute. That's my string trimmer with plastic blades on it. So I'll show you in just a second. Lena, what do you think so far?
Well, it looks pretty messy, don't you think?
Yeah, it looks pretty messy.
So why are you cutting the beautiful stuff down?
Well, because in the wintertime, it starts to turn brown. And pretty soon, it just all looks like a big haystack.
Oh, I see.
So we gotta cut it down.
Well, how long does it take to grow back?
Well, it doesn't take long at all. There'll be little shoots on there within, maybe a week or 2.
Oh, that sounds like a good idea.
Yep, so let's keep cutting, because we don't want that to turn into a mess.
Okay, let's do it. Oh, That's a big mess now. But it looks like they're all cut down.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that was a lot of work, but we got it done.
Well, it's such a big mess. What are you gonna do about it?
Well, what we do is just leave it there, and it kind of turns into ground cover, pine straw kind of stuff.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yep, and then we buy some pine straw and sprinkle it on top, and it looks good as new.
Oh, I like that idea a lot. You're gonna do all that work, right?
Oh, I thought you were going to help me.
Oh, no, I'm a girl. I don't have to help you.
Well, thanks for tuning in, and we'll show you what it looks like after the pine straw gets down.
Okay, see y'all later. Bye.